morning, friends. It's very loud in my house, but it's Monday morning, and I just realized I didn't really do a recap of the cookie exchange, so I thought I'd let you know. It went really well. So there was 9 ladies, including me, and 2 didn't show or let me know or anything. So we ended up with 6 different cookies plus your own. So in my mind, it was a success. It was a lot of fun. Got to know the ladies a little bit more. They were all ladies from my daughter's dance studio. So, and I'm not sure if you're familiar, but my daughter last year was her first year as a competitive dancer. She has danced recreationally since she's been 2. She's 15 now, but last year she crossed over to competitive for the first time because up until last year she did competitive water polo. So, but she had decided to leave that and concentrate more on dance. So unfortunately she was never able to do both competitively because they clash with each other, especially the competitions do. So that's why she had to choose one or the other. And unfortunately with water polo there isn't a recreational option. It's all or nothing pretty much. So yeah, so I think it went really well. Like I said, I got to know some of the ladies, which was nice, more than I already did, but it was good. So right now the kids are playing, and I'm just, I was actually working on my planner because yesterday I was too tired to plan out my week. So I was working on my planner, and the next thing, I'm going to just give you a little peek. I use the Happy Planner. So what I'm going to be doing now is, I have to go check my menu upstairs what the dinners are for these 2 days, and I just realized that I probably won't need dinner here because we have a water polo potluck, so I won't need dinner there either. But I'm going to make my menu for my book club right now and make a shopping list. So I'll show you once I'm done making that what it looks like. So here is the menu. So I'm gonna be making cranberry jalapeno dip, which is the same dip that I made yesterday. And I have the cranberries still marrying each other in the fridge. So, and you just serve that over with cream cheese. Then I have tortilla chips with guacamole and cherry tomatoes, which is from, all of these recipes are from Pinterest. Caprese Christmas wreath and puff pastry garlic parmesan puffs and cracked out broccoli. So I've tried to kind of make it a Christmas theme a little bit and then mix in with other stuff. For drinks, I'm going to be serving white wine, red wine, and I'm also making a thing called Sex in a Snowbank, and it's coconut rum, coconut cream, and ice. So I'm just serving that as a pre-drink as people are coming in. And then here's my grocery list. I don't need a lot of stuff because I try to use up stuff that I have at home, and I have the puff pastry left over from the cream horns, so I'm going to use it for the garlic parmesan puffs. So, and then I just need to pick up some martini glasses, which I'm just gonna pick up at the dollar store. I know Dollar Tree has it, so I'm gonna go get them there. So I'll probably do that tonight, I think, or maybe tomorrow night, I'm not sure. But anyways, it's ready. I know what I'm doing. I also have to figure out what I'm gonna do for I have 2 Christmas parties to go to, well, 3 altogether, 2 on Friday, 1 on Saturday, and I have to figure out, I think the one on Friday, they were staying just for a little bit. I'm gonna probably bring some cookies. The other one, I know I'm gonna bring a savory dip, so I'm not sure whether I'm gonna go and make another cranberry dip or do something totally different. We will see. And same for the Saturday too. I'm just doing some shopping on Amazon, and I'm impressed. The Little People by Fisher Price has a whole section lots to choose from. I don't think I have to go to the store.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance.
So for dinner, I'm trying out a new recipe. It's called cauliflower baked ziti. And I had shredded some cheese, got my ricotta ready, chopped up my onion. I'm gonna press the garlic in there. I'm gonna saute it, then I'm gonna saute my beef with it. And my daughter just came home and the kids are super excited to see her. So I had sauteed onion, garlic, and meat with some salt and pepper, and I will be adding my homemade sauce to it. You can add any tomato sauce, or, well, depends what your dietary needs are, or you can follow a recipe on here. I'm gonna link this recipe down below for you to be able to see it. So I had blanched cauliflower and I had added it to the sauce, and now I'm gonna transfer the sauce in here and put some cheese on it. So I had added ricotta, and I'm gonna add well, I'm using marble, but it's supposed to be mozzarella and Parmesan. So the dinner is done. I had made some garlic toast. Well, it was a bun that I had left over from the weekend, and I just added some garlic butter onto it for my kids. They can each have one half. I made some salad, and then there's our dinner. I had a complete mom fail today. I have completely forgot. I don't know why I had forgotten, because it happens every Monday. Is my daughter had dance at 5. Well, it's 10 to 5 now, and I pulled out dinner. So she has about a 15-minute break at 6:15. So I'm gonna run the food over to her so she can have some dinner, because she doesn't get home till 9 o'clock. So bubblehead, that's the problem, but it happens, you know. We try to do our best, and sometimes we fail. Sometimes not. Just, you know, once in a blue moon. So I just got back from the store and from dropping off dinner, and was looking at just my to-do list, and I have completed everything for today that I had. I stopped at Indigo to pick up, I don't think my book club friends will watch this, but I picked up a mug and a candle because we're supposed to exchange gifts. So I got the limit was $25, so I got this mulled cider and cinnamon. It smells really good. And then I also got, they really didn't have much regarding reading, which is a surprise, so I just got a mug. Yeah, not gonna last me very long. There. So I'm just gonna wrap that up nicely so that's ready.
We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my
So I packed it all up. I just need to add some tissue paper. Like this gift bag. I just can't find tissue paper. So I think this is it for today. I'm gonna end the vlog here and hope you guys have a good night, and I'll see you all tomorrow. And thank you so much for watching.
This year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.